Hey guys, we are going to see how to enable developer tab in Excel. Why this developer tab is enabled and what are the use of developer tab is we are going to discuss in this particular video. Let's start with today's video. Open the Excel and you can see to write VBA code, which is for macro code to edit and do the automation in Excel. You need developer tab, and even I'm going to show without developer tab how you can able to enter into the VBA editor. So to enable the developer tab in our menu, so what we can do is you can just click on file, go to options, and you can see something called customize ribbon. So ribbons are the one which we can able to see it at the top, and there you can see developer. Just click on developer option and click OK. You can see our developer tab is enabled. Now double click it over here and you can see all the elements of developer tab is shown over here. So what is the use of this developer tab and why it is named as developer? This is because you can keep on writing code for automating the Excel or like integrating the other files also. So just keeping the cursor here, you can able to see there is something called shortcut which is Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Now I'm opening the Visual Basic Editor by clicking on Visual Basic. So this is the our Visual Basic Editor where you can able we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos how to create a code or writing a script to run the automation. As of now I am closing it to show how to enable the VBA editor tab by pressing the shortcut key. So now I am pressing Alt F11 in my keyboard. So now the same VBA editor is enabled. So this is how we are enabling the developer tab in Excel. Hope you have understood this video. We'll meet in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.